2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's go. Okay, mamimili na naman tayo kung ano-ano na lang madampot natin. Let's go. And mamimili tayo ng kung ano-ano madadampot natin for today's video. Let's go. Okay, mamili tayo nito. Bahala na kung ilan yung makuha. Sige. More. Okay, iba naman. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay na, iba naman. Hanap pa tayo. Okay, dito din mga chips. 4. Saan yung tortillas? Okay. Yatos, more. Let's have these as well. 2, 4, 6, 8. Kuha tayo ng pika din. More.
Okay na, meron na.
More. Oh, let's go. Okay, let's have potato chips. 2, 4, 6. Ito rin. 2, 4, 6. Very more. Puno na yung cart natin. Okay, kuha pa tayo ng isang cart guys. Puno na yung isang cart natin. Let's go. Cart number 2. Let's go. Okay, let's get this one as well. Let's get this one. We have some nagaraya. Let's have some spicy nagaraya. Let's have some ding-dong. I think okay din tong potato chips. So let's have more potato chips. Okay, let's have this one. 100 lang oh. Parang kompleto na. Okay. Let's get some Goya. Pero ayaw natin ng ganyan. Dapat nakabox ng kunin natin. Let's go.
Nakuha ka ng sample.
Ayan, okay na. Get sample. Okay, let's have more of this. Flat tops. 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's have this one. Okay. Okay. Time.